we are heading to get some crawfish, frozen of course, because we do live in Canada. Look, sorry, it's bumpy. There's snow. We can't get fresh crawfish like in the States, so we have to settle for frozen, and we're gonna go and check out this place. It's called Seven Seas, and they sell a whole bunch of seafood. So we ended up buying 2 packs. These are 5 pounds each. This was like, I think $48 for 1 pack of 5-pounder. Actually, really big. This is our first time buying it from there, and I just broke his head. Oh my god, I'm sorry. Really big. I am impressed. Hopefully, it'll be good. And now I'm at the Asian supermarket getting the rest of the items for my crawfish seafood boil. Got our 5 pounds of frozen crawfish that have sausage, corn on the cob, potatoes, fresh crab that we just chopped up, white onion, and this is what I'm going to be using for the soup base. It's so spicy. I'll probably be using both bags because I want it super, super, super spicy, so like nobody gets to eat it, only I do.